one light at a time. It was like the most profound statement ever. Light itself helps to define the features of your subjects. Pretty much any subject, whether it's a portrait or a commercial job, whether it's a box of paper clips, a chef throwing a tomato in the air. Light is what's mostly defining those shapes. It all starts with the light source. It begins with the source. Strobes in particular, this is the one that I work with most often. This is a Pro Photo. They all have the same kind of basic makeup. In other words, under this diffused dome in the front, there's two different bulbs under there. Continuous lights, especially in today's digital photography world, is that they're a lot less expensive than strobes. They're much lighter in weight, and they really work quite well. Diffusers is any time that there is an interruption between a light source and a subject. For me, I always use a reflector outdoors, not so much to lighten a face as much as to smooth out a face perhaps, or if I needed to make my background darker. Light shaping tools, really, once you master them, they can save you and make you a lot of money. Whether it's a very complex thing with 20 lights or if it's 3. You start with one light and you add the next, and it's a building process.